Welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a look at one of the most legendary sport touring motorcycles ever built, the Yamaha FZ-1300. This motorcycle is famous for combining powerful performance with long-distance comfort, making it a favorite among touring riders around the world. At first glance, the Yamaha FZ-1300 immediately looks powerful and refined. The large aerodynamic front fairing, wide windscreen, and muscular body design give the bike a premium touring presence. Everything about this motorcycle is designed for stability and comfort, especially during long highway rides. Under the fairings, the FZ-1300 is powered by a strong 1298cc inline-4 engine. This engine delivers smooth acceleration, excellent power delivery, and a very refined riding experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or overtaking traffic, the engine responds instantly and effortlessly. One of the biggest highlights of the FZ-1300 is its touring comfort. The motorcycle features a relaxed riding position with wide handlebars and a comfortable seat designed for long journeys. Riders can travel hundreds of kilometers without feeling excessive fatigue, which makes this bike perfect for road trips and cross-country touring. Another impressive feature is the adjustable windscreen. Riders can change the windscreen height electronically, allowing them to control wind protection depending on riding conditions. This small but important feature significantly improves comfort during high-speed rides. The FZ-1300 is also equipped with advanced technology. It includes traction control, cruise control, and ABS braking for better safety and control. The digital instrument display provides clear information such as speed, fuel level, trip data, and other riding details. Handling is another area where this motorcycle shines. Despite being a large touring bike, the FZ-1300 feels stable and balanced while riding. The strong chassis, quality suspension, and excellent weight distribution help the bike remain confident on both highways and winding roads. For long-distance travel, the motorcycle also offers practical features like integrated side panniers. These storage compartments allow riders to carry luggage easily, making the bike perfect for touring adventures and weekend trips. The braking system is equally impressive. Dual front disc brakes provide strong stopping power, while the ABS system ensures controlled braking even in challenging conditions. This combination of performance and safety gives riders more confidence on the road. Overall, the Yamaha FZ-1300 is a perfect blend of power, comfort, and technology. It's designed for riders who love exploring long roads while enjoying strong performance and premium touring features. If you enjoy motorcycles like the Yamaha FZ-1300, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other bike lovers.